420 Tuesday with another Stitched Amy Tan page, and it's of me and my boy. I know he looks like a girl right there. This is my son though. He is my third oldest, or second youngest. Snapchat filter, probably from last year. Oh, I forgot. I brought this out. Wasn't sure if I'd use it, but I just kind of brought out some of the pages from Amy Tan. And I brought this piece out because I thought it was cute with the hearts. And I think I am going to go with it. Now, I am going to run out of adhesive on this roll, most likely this episode. But I gotta use it because sorry, you guys know I can't talk and put stuff down. I gotta use it because I can't cut it off in the middle of it. So I did want to use this, but you know what? I didn't bring any paper for layering. Let's see what we got here. Like that. A little bit of a border around that, and then I will put this on there as well. There's a bigger one. There we go. And then the yellow can go on there. For the bottom. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, I could do this one. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay. I always got to tear something, you know, that's just kind of what I do. Okay, let's see how we're liking this. I brought in, if you saw my last video, I did the same combo with another heart set. Go ahead and pop this up. You see that? Hold on, I'll show you. You see that? Gotta clean those today. Alright. I don't think I'll put that one down there. Right. Don't think that's going to get used today, which is a-okay. Ah, there we have it. It's the end of that, folks. It's the end of that. Put you over here. Alright. Okay, so I did bring out this. It's my handwriting, which I know it's completely horrible. I get it. But I thought it was cute because it was my handwriting, so letting it in. I'm using this. I wasn't sure where to use this at, but it felt right because, you know, I'm a little older, so I'm using the filters on Instagram, and I was thinking, or Snapchat, whatever it is. See, I don't even know the name of where I got the filter from, but I'm letting it in, you know, because this is the way of the world nowadays. So here we are. All right, so we got to convert to our liquid glue here, which is fine because I didn't get the chance to go and look for a pin that would work. But that's one of the cut aparts from Citrus Twist, and it just says ha ha ha. Okay. Kind of liked that over there to bring in the black all the way. And then I'm going to add this to cover up the heart. I mean the hole up there. Little moments. What's this say? Oh, always smile. Yeah. This is just a stamp that I stamped and heat embossed. Where are you going to put? Letting it in, because I don't want to go over my face. Let's just push it over to the side there. Next up on the go list, do we want to do this or we want to do another title? Can't ever have enough arrows, am I right? Yeah, I am. I'm right, I'm right. Oh snap, that'd be kind of cute. Because, you know, it probably was from Snapchat, right? That's cute. Good times. Okay, oh, that's another arrow. I don't know. Maybe you can't have too many arrows. Let's see. Where am I? There we go. I-L-T-E Noirs. Okay. Let's try the, yeah, these should fit fine. Okay. Get back over here. Okay. Alright. Those are freckled fawn. So, Filter Love. That's going to be our title. Ooh, I should put a hashtag. Wood veneer. Yes. Yes, it's coming together. Okay. Wood veneer, where are you at? Wood veneer, where are you at? Here we go. Tag of the hash. Okay. Too cute. Oh, I love it. Alright. Stars or hearts? With the hearts, let's do some stars. Do we want to do hearts? I think we'll do hearts. Stars, hearts. Nobody knows. Do a little sprinkling of them, eh? I don't know what that was. I'm sorry. Oh, Lord have mercy. Anyway. Okay. Is that good? I don't know. Oh no, I got 4. I gotta do 5. Ooh. That's gonna be way too long. Kinda like that. Got a bunch of birds over here I don't know what to do with. There we go. Perfection. Yes. Alright. Where are we at here? Let's see. Sprinkly bits. Sprinkly dinklies. I think I'm gonna bring these pink ones in and be done with this wonderful pack of stars. Get down there. What are you doing? You ever just have to like coax your ephemera pieces to act right? Not ephemera, sprinkly bits to act right. Done! Yes! Not done technically, I gotta add this last one. Boom. I like it a lot. Do we want to add some Nouveaux? Nouveau drops, Nouveau drops, Nouveau drops. Red? No. No. Ditto, would that fit on there? That color wouldn't match, doesn't matter. Alright, what are we doing here? Ooh, another arrow. No, don't think it's gonna work. Okay. Color cast? Do you need to be in on this? If I do that, that'll bring on a whole nother wood veneer. I don't think I'm ready for that type of commitment. Ooh, I like that one. There we go. Oh, what's that on? Amy Tan. Oh, here we go. Heh, the one in my hand. Boom, right there. I like that. Bunches. Together. Okay. Now... this moment. Am I gonna have to totally fix that? Yep. Crapoly town. Alright. It's cool. It's cool. Let's figure this out. No. I'm all up. Yeah, I am. It's cool. The color's not going to work. Looks like you're the winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. That's what I get for trying to stamp on live video. Hee hee. Lesson learned? Nah, probably not. Alright, well, I got a little stamping done. Anyway, I think that's it. Don't want to make any more mistakes. Anyway, hope you guys have a good day and great week, and I will holla at you next time. Come on down here and take a look. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.